Custom link settings. Let's briefly look at custom link settings. This is another advanced, optional feature that lets you add custom navigation links to your Resourceby interface. Like custom fields and theme settings, this is something you should definitely skip during initial setup and only explore later if you have a specific need. Let's understand what it does. From the settings sidebar, click on Custom Link Settings. You're now on the Custom Link Settings page. The page shows no record found, which is perfect. You don't need any custom links to start using Resourceby. So what are custom links? This feature allows you to add extra menu items to Resourceby's navigation that link to external websites or resources. For example, you might want to add links to your company employee handbook hosted on Google Drive, an external training platform your team uses, your company intranet or SharePoint site, government labor law websites for quick reference, your company benefits portal or medical aid site. Let me quickly show you what the form looks like, but remember, you don't need to create any custom links right now. Click the yellow Add New Custom Link button just to see the options. A pop-up appears with 4 fields. Let's quickly understand each one. Link title is required, marked with a red asterisk. This is the text that will appear in your navigation menu, like employee handbook or training portal or company policies. URL is also required. This is the web address the link will point to. It must be a complete URL starting with https:// like https://docs.google.com/your-handbook or https://yourcompany.com/portal. Can be viewed by as a required drop-down that's currently showing nothing selected. This controls which user roles can see this custom link. You might want only employees to access certain resources or only admins to see compliance links. You'd select from options like admin, employee, HR manager, or client. Status is a drop-down set to active. This controls whether the link is currently visible or hidden. You could temporarily disable a link by changing it to inactive without deleting it entirely. Now, here's my strong recommendation. Click Cancel to close this pop-up without creating anything. Why should you avoid custom link settings during initial setup? Several reasons. First, you have enough to focus on with core Resourceby configuration. Custom links are extras that don't affect how the system functions. Second, you haven't used Resourceby enough yet to know what external links would actually be useful. After a few weeks of operation, you might realize, I wish employees had quick access to our benefits portal from here. That's when you'd add a custom link. Third, too many navigation items can clutter the interface and confuse users. Start simple with just Resourceby's built-in features. Add custom links only when there's a clear, demonstrated need. Fourth, if you add custom links and the external sites change their URLs, or your company changes providers, you'll need to come back and update or delete these links. More configuration means more maintenance. For most small to medium businesses, Resourceby's built-in navigation is sufficient. Employees can bookmark external sites themselves if needed. Custom links are really only valuable when you want to integrate Resourceby into a larger ecosystem of corporate tools. If you do eventually decide to add custom links, here are some good use cases. Quick access to frequently used HR forms or documents. Links to company policy documents everyone references regularly. Connections to complementary systems like benefits portals or learning platforms. Government resources for labor law compliance. But that's for later. For now, your custom link settings page should remain empty. Focus on getting Resourceby's core features working properly first. Custom link settings, another advanced feature to ignore during onboarding.